present here, sanibonani, senthanda, senikhonzile, sicela igazi manje mina. Noma sicela igazi ukuthi sicela something that is out of this world this year. Siyabonga ukuthi ube khona in this particular function. Why this function, colleagues? To us, this awards function provides an opportunity to report back in a way to our stakeholders on our academic performance, in the main focusing on grade 12, but you know, with us in another service, we also cater for primary schools and other programs that school do. Most importantly, we gather to appreciate and celebrate the outstanding work done by yourselves at school, respectively, that is the principals, the ISMTs, teachers, against all odds. Accepting is seven at this time because of a variety of reasons. But in Cyber, we don't lament. You continue to give us what we need in terms of the best result. In doing so, we will award you tokens of appreciation. Say, I want what I show you for it. But that's how far we'll go to give you that memo to say thank you so much for your contribution. We thank the SJPs also for their continued support to our schools. Without the scaling work, we wouldn't be at the top 10 as the district out of 75 districts nationally. It's because of your scaling work. Furthermore, we wouldn't be number 6 as the district in the province if you didn't work as you've worked with your class of 2025. This good work that you've put in your schools respectively has made this CMC Idanauza to be number 1 in 2025 at Amanjuba district, where we have got 2 CMCs. And so we showed